In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a rectangle in TradingView. If you've ever wanted to quickly mark a price zone, highlight a consolidation area, or simply call attention to a region on your chart, a rectangle is one of the cleanest tools to use. TradingView makes this simple, and will keep it straightforward so you can follow along on either the web or desktop app. Start by looking to the left side of your TradingView chart. You'll see a vertical toolbar that contains all the drawing tools. Find the brush icon there. This is the gateway to many annotations. Instead of clicking the brush itself, look for the small caret or little triangle icon right next to it. Clicking that caret opens a flyout with more choices, giving you access to additional drawing tools beyond freehand drawing. From that expanded menu, select the rectangle tool. You might see it listed among shape options, and once you click it, your cursor will change to a more precise crosshair. That's your visual cue that you're ready to draw directly on the chart. Now, move your cursor to the price area where you want the rectangle to appear. Click to anchor the first corner, then hold and drag diagonally across the chart to define the opposite corner. As you drag, you'll see the rectangle preview update in real time, so you can judge its size and placement before releasing your mouse. When you let go, your rectangle is placed on the chart, clearly outlining the zone you wanted to mark. That's it. You've drawn your rectangle. This tool is especially helpful for outlining support and resistance ranges, marking prior highs and lows, or creating visual zones for backtesting. Because the rectangle fills an area, it's easier to spot than a single line, and it helps your eyes stay focused on the most important parts of the chart. You don't need to worry about your chart's time frame or symbol for this step. The rectangle behaves the same way regardless, which keeps your workflow consistent as you move around. Once the rectangle is on your chart, you can continue analyzing price action with it as a reference. The rectangle tool stays active after you place one, so if you need another, just repeat the same click and drag motion. When you're done drawing, you can simply move your cursor back to the toolbar to switch tools or carry on with your analysis. And that's all there is to it. You looked for the brush tool on the left, clicked the caret to reveal more choices, selected the rectangle tool, and drew it on your chart. Simple, clear, and effective.